Max and James here from S.T.A.R Generation, spiritually trained and renewed generation, coming to you on this Friday, May 18th. Haitian Flag Day. Just in case, if you don't know, we are here representing. You know, as true Haitian born and raised.
Yeah, nous parlons créole.
Nous parlons créole. C'est la fête. Anyway, just wanted to wish all those out there a very happy Haitian Flag Day.
Absolutely. I mean, there's nothing like being Haitian.
Hey.
The culture.
That's right.
The food.
That's right.
The people.
That's right.
I mean, you name it. We are one of the best out there.
That's right.
So to all of our Haitian brothers and sisters out there from S.T.A.R Generation, happy Haitian Flag Day.
That's right. Represent and please be safe.
Yes.
All right. Be safe. We want you to be alive. All right.
Absolutely.
Be safe. And we'll catch up some other time.
Take care, you guys.
Bye-bye now.
Bye-bye.